standby. Advanced UAV is ready. Swarm ready. Hardpoint locked down. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down. Sniper. Got shot. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint identified. Capture the objective. Advanced UAV is online. Tango down. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. UAV online. Targets in sight. Hardpoint is ours. Friendly nuke is ready.
Let's go, let's go!
Enemy in sight.
Warning, friendly nuke has been launched. Repeat, friendly nuke has been launched.
Targets in sight. Enemy down. Sniper.
So here are the attachments for the Switchblade X9. First muzzle will be the monolithic suppressor. It increases damage range by 10%. And it also makes it silenced, so they don't see us on the map when we shoot. Next will be MIP Extended Light Barrel. It decreased the horizontal recoil by 5%. And it decreased vertical recoil by 10%. It increases the damage range by 15%. And the ad's bullet spread will be increased by 8%. Stock will be OWC skeleton stock. It increases your ad's movement speed by 12%. And decreases 5% of ad's time, meaning the ad's is gonna be fast. For the laser, WC laser, tactical, it decreases 8% of ad's time, meaning it's gonna get fast ads. And also it decreases 9.2% of ad's bullet spread, so the bullets will aim straight. Lastly, ammunition will be extended Mag A. It adds 15 magazine capacity.